In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoXLR to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be covering the process of setting up your GoXLR in conjunction with a PlayStation 5 console. Even though this is doable, it isn't going to be a direct approach, so you will need some additional tools. The most crucial thing is going to be an audio extractor. So this is the piece of extra hardware that takes the HDMI signal from your PlayStation 5 and it separates the audio. This will also provide an optical audio output that you can connect to your GoXLR's optical input. So make sure that the extractor supports the video resolution and refresh rate that you want to use. For example, 4K at 60Hz, at 120, and so on. So besides this, you will also need optical cables, possibly 3.5mm cables, and something like a capture card if you are streaming. So in this video, I'm going to go over the basic setup of all of this. First, find the HDMI port on the PlayStation 5 and plug it into the HDMI in on the audio extractor. So grab the HDMI out from the PlayStation 5 and then plug it into the HDMI in of the audio extractor. With this done, you can use the HDMI out on the audio extractor and plug it into your monitor or TV. So once again, using another HDMI cable, plug it into a monitor or TV. With this done, you can connect an optical cable from the audio extractor into the GoXLR. And with this done, you can connect the GoXLR into your PC. So by separating the HDMI portions, including the audio, you will be able to use this optical connection here and use your PlayStation 5 in conjunction with your GoXLR. You can set up any additional devices that you have, and all of them will be managed through the GoXLR. You can see the audio settings on the PlayStation 5 as well to make sure that everything is working. So under HDMI device type, you should be able to see AV amplifier. You can change the audio format to Bitstream Dolby or a compatible format that your audio extractor can handle, and then set everything up through the GoXLR software. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up your PlayStation 5 and GoXLR, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.